Is Roblox stuck while installing on your iPhone? Is it just spinning and not finishing the download? This is usually caused by network issues, storage problems, or App Store glitches. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing the Roblox installation issue on your iPhone. Let's get it installed now. Before going into the main fixes, try these quick steps first. Turn off Do Not Disturb and Low Power Mode. Check that your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Once you've done these, move on to the advanced solutions below. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove, then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 2. Force close and restart the App Store. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the App Store. Now swipe it up and off the screen to close it. Open the App Store again and try downloading Roblox again. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings, then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. That's a wrap for today. I hope your Roblox installation issue is all sorted now. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.